So this is a controller for their walk-in freezer. This is the walk-in monitoring system, the 100 from American Panel. Right here from American Panel. What happened is the old one burnt out. Where this power cord goes here, water got in there and shorted everything out. So the plug's all fried. So I had to get a new plug and a new controller. So basically this here controls the light inside the freezer, and it also controls the door frame heater. The heater right now it's currently not working because this controller is bad. So once I get this installed, we're gonna check the frame heater. We have to crimp on a new plug and we'll see how it is. We'll have to program it. But this is not the thermostat. It's a thermometer, but not a thermostat. So it'll tell you the temperature inside the freezer, and based on the parameters that you set, once the temperature inside the freezer goes above your alarm temperature, it'll start sounding an audible sound like an alarm. So it's pretty good. It lets the customer know ahead of time, but it's a little pricey. But if you want a little footage, I don't know if the GoPro, you can see in there how it's burnt. This plug right here. So this is the old one, and this is the old plug. You can see how it's all burnt. So we're gonna put on a new harness, and we're gonna put in a new controller. But here you can see, because the door heater's bad, it's all frozen. So since it's frozen, it doesn't allow the door to close properly. You can see all the ice. So we got to get this control back working. It's a small freezer, but once we get it going, we'll amp it out, make sure our heaters are working, and check everything out. So I just want to get you a little footage before maybe the owner walks in. I don't know, but right now they're not. I don't know where they're at, but so this red wire is our heater, our door frame heater. So it's drawing 1.5 amps. All right, you can see all our ice is starting to melt away. The ice is starting to melt. So we should be good on this. So it looks like our door frame heater got saved. It didn't get bad. And you can see this here is the ice is coming off. And down here it's all coming off. I'm just gonna program it, and this should be, I'll show you once it's done. Alright. That's pretty much it. There's a delay, a time delay. So I set it for 3 minutes. So right now you can see there's no light on. You press the switch, light comes on. After 3 minutes, it automatically turns off. So, so now the freezer door closed by itself. There's still a little bit of ice around the edge, but it's gone. There's a water from the melted ice. So this controls your inside light. It acts as a thermometer. It acts as an alarm. That'll make an audible sound if the above your danger temperature. So if, let's say we set it for 10 degrees. If this freezer goes above 10 degrees for say 30 minutes, it's going to start ringing an alarm. And also it monitors your door frame heater. So alright, so that pretty much wraps it up. Just wanted to show you American Panel. If you ever come across one of these controllers, like I say, it's not the thermostat for the freezer itself. This is not your thermostat for the freezer. So it's only a thermometer. So, all right.